Ayan.
Ito pong complaint for impeachment ay pinirmahan ng 17 complainants. Ang mga galing sa civil society organizations, galing din sa religious sector, galing din sa ibang grupo. But they are filing all of these signatories, 17 signatories, are filing this in their personal capacity, even if they are members of various groups or of various party lists, etc. So, 17 po sila. Ang mga nag-file po ay sila former Secretary Ging Deles,